Hi there, thanks for joining me. Welcome to my brand new channel. I'm Nikki. I have some farming tips to share with you. I used to be a farmer. My farm name was Nothing Beats Organic Farms, and I'm in British Columbia, Canada. I was farming on rented land for about 3 years, and just this last year I haven't been farming for about a year and a half, and just this last year I noticed that, or I kind of discovered actually, that I could make more money growing just seedlings and selling those out of my backyard. I'm not even on an acre of land right now, and I wanted to share with you what I've done and my new project for this year, and I'll take you from start to finish of our brand new project. We're going to be setting up shelves actually where I'm sitting right now in my sort of living room, and we're going to take you on a start to finish process of how to germinate seedlings. It's not as tricky as a lot of people think, and how to market those seedlings to your community and to make a pretty good profit doing so. You'll join me. It's going to be a wild ride. I'm going to try to get 35 videos out to you as soon as possible, and I hope you'll subscribe to my channel and click the like button if you find that I bring you some information that's useful to you. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.